Hi, good day, miss. How are you today?
I'm fine, sir, madam.
Please tell me about yourself.
Good day, sir, madam. I'm Wendy Perez, 24 years old. I am a single mother with 2 kids. I have 5 brothers and 5 sisters. My father is a jeepney driver. My mother is a housewife. I am a college graduate. I work a domestic helper in Philippines for 2 years, since 2014 until 2016. My major duties are taking care of my children aged 4 years old.
Can you tell now your daily activities on how you take good care of the children?
I have prepared meals for them and send them to school, and play with them, read storybook to them. I love children very much.
Aside from taking care of children, what are your other duties from your previous employer?
Yes, sir, madam. I clean the house, cooking, washing, ironing, and car washing.
Do you know how to cook?
Yes, sir, madam.
What kind of dishes can you prepare?
Filipino food, I'm willing to learn to how to cook the Chinese food.
Are you willing to go to the market and do the marketing as well?
Yes, sir, madam.
Do you know the responsibilities of being domestic helper?
Yes, sir, madam, to be responsible to follow and the rules and regulation to employer.
So why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong and provide family needs.
Do you have any last message for your future employer?
I hope, sir, madam, I will consider to employ me. I promise to do my best to serve your family. Thank you, sir, madam.
Are you willing to finish your 2 years contract?
Yes, sir, madam.
Thank you very much and hope to see you soon in Hong Kong. Before we end, kindly show us your best smile.